Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Alright, in today's video we are going to be talking about how to adjust your lockup pi to as little as minimal duration as you can. Alright, now in this video you are not going to be able to unlock your locked pi, but you are going to be able to adjust your pi lockup moving forward. Okay, now every pi you are going to be mining from now, okay, or the pi that your security cycles and referrals will be giving you from now, all right, will no longer be automatically locked up to the previous locked up you already have before. That is what we are going to be doing in this video. So if you are looking for a way to unlock your already locked pi, this video cannot help you. But if you want to stop your pi token from automatically locking up, adding to the pi that you have already locked up already, this video is going to guide you through on how to stop that or adjust the lockup duration. Okay, so let's dive into this video. Please, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing to the channel, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new videos. All right, now as you all know, pi has already launched. All right, so pi launched and listed for listed at $3. If you come to Bitget, all right, please ignore the noise. All right, ignore the noise in the background. All right, if you come to Bitget, you notice you discover that pi listed at this is the price of pi currently 1.14 USD. Okay, and the trading volume of the pi from the time it was launched. Okay, so you can see that a day ago, you see that pi actually launched up to $3.4. That is massive. A lot of people do not expect this. All right, I personally did not expect that pi will launch up to this amount based on their total supply, circulating supply, and their with all the calculation we did. We noticed that we were like, it is not possible. Okay, but this is it. All right, now I want to also let you know that there are up to 3 exchanges that I can tell you now that they have listed pi already. In case you have pi token and you want to sell, all right, there are 3 exchanges, which is Bitget, Bitmart, Bitget, and the last one is Roku. All right, Roku app has also listed pi network token. All right, so you can go in there and see and trade your pi. Now let's dive into the main reason for this video. When you log into your pi app, you see this is it. So you click on your pi balance. All right, you click on your pi balance on the top. Okay, when you click on the pi balance, it will take you here. All right, you can see that this is the amount of the unavailable pi that I have. This is the one that is available, that is transferable, and this is the one that has been migrated. That has been migrated to mainnet already. All right, so this is the current available token that I have that is locked up. This one. All right, now this one is the one that that is one under this balance. All right, when you read about this balance, this balance are the token here are the ones that your referrals and security cycle, assist you in mining. You understand? As at that time, we were given the option to add security cycles and use referrals to boost our mining rate. All right, so those tokens that were mined by the boost of our referrals and security cycles, all right, they are the ones that are under unverified balance. All right, so the only way we can get these ones is when our referrals migrate to KYC, or anyone from our security cycle migrate to KYC. So those tokens we mine through their app will be added to our migrated balance. Now, what we want to stop now is that when they eventually move to KYC, instead of this token to be added to our migrated balance and be locked up, we want to stop it from adding up, locking up automatically. All right. Now, when you scroll down, you come to configure lockup. All right. When you click on configure lockup, you see that there is a button here that says automatically locked up. You can see from here, when you toggle it on, it is automatically locked up. So we want to stop it from locking up automatically, or we reduce the amount and duration of which it can be locked up for. Okay, so that is what we are going to be doing right now. So when you get to your, maybe you will see that your own will be draw up to 3 years, and then the percentage you locked up will be 100%, 200%, 90%. Or you can just adjust it. Okay, you can just adjust it. All right. Now, before now, you can see this is the because I already adjusted my own before. All right, I've already adjusted my own before. You can see that this button is this button is gray out. All right, so we cannot click this button unless we adjust the lockup durations. Okay, so you can then just choose to reduce your lockup duration from here, then increase commitment. All right, when you do that, you have successfully stopped your token from locking up, in addition to the ones that are already been locked up for the duration of time that it was locked up for before. All right, that is how you can lock you can unlock the ones that are not be added to your Pi balance already. All right, so we can decide to toggle this off. All right, when you toggle it off, just click on increase commitment. All right, from here, none of your mined token will be locked up, adding to the ones that are already locked up before. Okay, so please, if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new videos. All right, if you read this, and say automatically lock up a portion of my transferable balance to mainnet, open my next balance migration. Upon my next balance migration, my Pi will continue to be locked up at this rate for future mainnet transfer unless adjusted later. You can see. So for you not to be a part, for it not to continuous like this, you need to toggle it off or reduce it. Because the reason why I choose to reduce my own is that for the period of time that is still locked up, I still get some percentage. I still get some percentage coming in, which is this. I still get to earn some money rate. Okay, that is why I had to put my own on automatic, and then so that I can get this. So my lockup is for 6 months. All right, so I have trust and I have belief on Pi. Okay, let me just adjust this to 2 months, to 2 weeks. Let me adjust it to 2 weeks. Increase commitment. You see successful lockup, successful lockup setting update successful. You can see that is it, guys. That is it. So please, if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new videos. All right, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.